Proper laundry care is essential to avoid harming your clothes or the equipment. Before washing your clothes, make sure to check labels for specific sorting or temperature instructions and remove anything from your pockets. If your clothes are stained, use your stain remover as instructed. Make sure to limit your laundry load to clothing items only. Don't wash or dry your shoes, pillows, bath mats, and other large, heavy items that are not meant for these machines. When loading, do not fill the machines more than 3/4 full. This will ensure the clothes rinse freely rather than getting clumped together. Overstuffing the machines causes a fire hazard and could break the machine. Use either liquid or pod-based detergent. For laundry pods, toss the pod in the main drum with your clothes. Please don't stuff your pods in the dispenser drawer. For liquid detergents, pour directly into the main drum with your clothes for top-load washers and into the dispenser drawer for front-load washers. With liquid detergent, make sure to remember, less is more. Try to use about 1/4 cup per load. If you wish to use fabric softener or bleach, pour that into the designated slot in the dispenser drawer. Your cycle option refers to the clothing material. A normal cycle is recommended for fabrics made of cotton. Permanent press is recommended for synthetic and blended fabrics, helping to minimize common wrinkles with those fabrics. Delicates and bulky cycles are reserved for delicate garments and fabrics, things you specifically sort to minimize risk of damage. Depending on your cycle option, the water temperature will have been predetermined, but if you wish to customize your cycle, you have that option. A timer will count down once you start your cycle. Feel free to hang out in the laundry room or set a timer on your phone and return when your cycle is complete. Just remember, machines are shared by many residents in your building, so be courteous about your laundry and don't leave the machine for an extended period of time. Once you remove your cycle from the washing machine, leave the door open so that it can air dry. This will prevent mold and mildew from growing. Load your laundry into the dryer and remove any lint from the lint trap. This will help your clothes dry more effectively. These machines are designed to be used in tandem with each other, meaning one wash load equals one dry load. So please don't overstuff the dryers. It could start a fire or break the machine. If you have a dryer sheet, toss it in the main drum with your clothes and close the door. Select the temperature before you start your cycle. High temperature should be used with caution, as it may cause shrinking. Check your clothing labels for further instruction. The medium temperature is the main temperature, recommended if you wash your clothes with a normal or permanent press cycle. The low and delicate temperatures are meant for your delicate clothing items. The no heat option is recommended if you just want to air fluff your clothes. Once you start your cycle, a timer will count down until it's finished. Please be mindful of other residents in your hall, being diligent about removing your clothes on time, and cleaning the lint trap for the next person. If a service issue arises, follow the reporting instructions on the machine. Go green!